Hey guys, I'm back from school. We just got a tornado watch.
Tornado watch number 207 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Colorado: Cheyenne, El Paso, and Teller. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A strong thunderstorm will impact...
See, okay, so... Look how dark it is. What in the... Oh my gosh. Alright, guys. I'm under a tornado watch. I'll, guys, keep you updated on all the latest information right now. Right now, I'm under a tornado watch, so... I'll be safe, I promise. In my life. I will be safe. Alright, bye, guys.